Ever felt like you're drowning in website feedback and revision cycles? Yeah, me too. But then I stumbled across this tool, Webvizio, and man, it's been a game changer. Picture this, your whole team leaving comments directly on live websites, web elements, or even images, all from a single easy-to-use dashboard. No more messy email chains or vague screenshots. Here's how it works. You just pop in your website's URL up here and hit Add URL. It pulls in a live version of your site and boom, you're ready to go. You can even preview it on different screen sizes to catch those sneaky layout issues. Need to update something? No problem. Just click on the element, add a title, description, set your priority, and assign it to a teammate. You can add deadlines, tags for better organization, and even attach files. It's all super intuitive. Here's one of my favorite parts, video feedback. If typing out an explanation isn't cutting it, just record your screen and explain the issue in real time. Trust me, it saves so much back and forth. And hey, it's not just for websites. You can work the same way inside web application, which can be very helpful if you're building a web product. It's all in one. You can upload pretty much any file to keep all your creatives in one place. Images, PDFs, design files, you name it. Leave feedback on those just as easily as you would a web page. Need to track tasks? Switch over to the Kanban board and see everything at a glance. Tasks don't need to be tied to a specific page either. You can create standalone tasks, organize them by project, and even make folders if you're into that whole Marie Kondo life. For me, it's really simplified everything. Collaborating has never felt this smooth. Webvizio has made managing multiple projects less of a headache. And honestly, I can't imagine going back to the old way. Yeah, so if you're tired of chaotic workflows, give Webvizio a try. It's been a lifesaver for me. Who knew ditching the chaos would feel this good?